Hello everyone, I'm Margaret and welcome to Deliciously Sweet and Savory. Today I'm going to show you how to make sausage and peppers. Growing up, I ate a lot of Italian food because my father's family are Italian. And sausage and peppers is an Italian-American dish that everyone in my family loves. This sausage and peppers recipe is super simple to make and extremely flavorful. So let's get started. For this recipe, you need sweet Italian sausage, crushed tomatoes, red peppers, green peppers, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, salt, and olive oil. First, take the peppers and cut them into long strips about an inch thick. Now place the sausage across the bottom of a large pot and add a cup of water. Then cover the pot, let come to a simmer on high heat, and let cook for 1 minute. Then flip the sausage over and let continue to cook for 4 minutes with the pot covered. Next, flip the sausage around and let cook with the pot uncovered for about 9 minutes. Make sure you flip and move the sausage around occasionally so that they cook evenly. Let cook until all of the water has evaporated and the sausage starts to brown. Then remove the sausage from the pot, place on a plate, and set aside to cool. Take the same pot where you cooked the sausage, don't worry about cleaning it, and add the crushed tomatoes, salt, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, olive oil, and green and red peppers. Then give the pot a slight mix and bring to a simmer on high heat with the pot covered. Once simmering, reduce the heat to medium and let cook for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. In the meantime, you can prepare the sausage. The sausage should be cool enough to handle at this point. Take each sausage and cut it into slices about 3/8 of an inch thick. Repeat the process for all of the sausage. Place on a plate or bowl and set aside. After cooking the sauce for at least 10 minutes, the pepper should have softened up a bit and decreased in volume. Now add the sliced sausage to the pot, reduce the heat to medium-low, and give the pot a good stir. Then cover the pot and let cook for 30 to 35 minutes, stirring occasionally. When the peppers are fork tender, in other words, you can easily poke through the peppers with a fork, it means the sausage and peppers are ready to serve. These sausage and peppers are incredibly flavorful, as the sauce gets infused with the flavors of the sausage, red and green peppers, and seasonings, which is a great departure from the typical marinara sauce. Moreover, the sausage and peppers turns out extremely tender, and the sausage ends up incredibly moist. This sausage and peppers recipe is very versatile and can be eaten as is, but goes great with bread or pasta, and can be used to make a pizza. The versatility, tastiness, and ease of this recipe definitely makes it worth trying. So have fun giving this recipe a try. For more recipes like this one, visit my website, which also has the written recipes and ingredient amounts. You can also follow my channel. I'd like to take a moment to thank my patrons for their support. If you'd like to become a patron to support my channel, visit my Patreon page. Also, if there are any recipes, Cuban or otherwise, that you'd like to see, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you soon with another recipe.